Hey, this is Vidya, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Peppa Pig themed chalkboard for Vanshu's birthday. I love making them as it is a cute way to record what your kid is now up to. इसे ऐसे ही preserve करें या फिर इसका snap लेके you can keep it as a memory. It's up to you, whatever you want to write or put it in the chalkboard about your kid. And my kid is a huge fan of Peppa Pig, that is why it is the birthday theme. So let's begin. Welcome to Mama I'm Home. Here you can find everything for you and your kids' beautiful world. So first of all, I took 2 thermocol sheets and उन्हें ऐसे फिक्स किया so that they can fit a full size chart paper or chart sheet. Then I took a black chart paper and glued it over the thermocol. बॉर्डर्स इन स्काई ब्लू कलर. मेरे पास ब्लू चार्ट पेपर या रिबन नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने इम्प्रोवाइज किया विद कलर पेपर स्टॉक. आई ग्लूड इट विद फेविकॉल. Cutting the extra thermocol from the borders. At the bottom, I am using a green paper to create landscape, जैसा कि Peppa Pig में होता है. Then I'm using printouts of Peppa Pig to decorate the borders. I used a duck pond, Peppa, George, Peppa's friends, Daddy and Mummy Pig, few clouds and a sun. Borders of the chalkboard. For the sun, I had a yellow sticky paper, so I used that. chalkboard is ready. Now it's time to write. I put it in a stand for display. मेरे पास एक पेंटिंग स्टैंड था. If you don't have it, stick it on the wall using Tackit. Watch my video on mom hacks to know about Tackit. Link is in the description box. For writing, I am using soft pastel colors. You can also use chalk pen or just simple chalks. Let's write. For Vanshu's name, I am trying to replicate Peppa Pig's font. I found it in the Google. First, I am writing some of Vanshu's stats. I had a lot to write, that is why I am separating the sections by drawing a line. Then loves to do, all his favorite things, basically all about him. That's adorable. Left some space. I'll tell you why. मुझे ऐसे लगा मैं कुछ भूल गई होंगी and मुझे बाद में याद आएगा, but there was nothing. So then I glued his favorite Peppa and George's dinosaur using Tackit again. So friends, stay tuned to Mom I'm Home for more videos on Peppa Pig themed birthday party and Peppa Pig themed cake. Please subscribe and tell me in the comments if you love this one. And till next week, take care. Bye bye.